On problem number 1, the famous first step is to change subtraction to addition. So you have subtraction in two different parts here. You should notice in the first part you have a double negative, so what's that 2.5 going to become? A positive. And in the second part you just have a single negative, so what's your 3/4 going to become? A negative. So let's rewrite. We've got 15/20 plus 2.5 plus negative 3/4. And that step was my subtraction to addition. Now, on the next step, look at the types of numbers you have. You've got two fractions and a decimal. So let's move those fractions so that they're beside each other. So I'm going to have 15/20 plus negative 3/4 plus 2.5. And that would be the commutative property. Now, since we move those fractions beside each other, we need to be able to add them, but before we can add fractions, what do I have to have? Have to have common denominators. So what's the common denominator between 20 and 4? It is 20, so I'm going to multiply this by 5. When I multiply that fraction by 5, that's going to give me negative 15/20. And then I'm going to rewrite the rest of the problem. So it's now going to be 15/20 plus negative 15/20 plus 2.5. What numbers can you combine nicely now? The 15/20 and negative 15/20, which that's going to equal 0 plus 2.5. And then when you combine 0 plus 2.5, you get a final answer of 2.5.